There's a reason 75 out of the top 100 contractors in America use SVG U today, because it works. I have downloaded my last 20 years of industry experience right inside this platform. And I have spent the last 7 years traveling the country with my film crew, capturing and uploading the best practices for many leaders across the industry so you can access all the training you need at your fingertips 24/7. The most advanced, industry-specific training in the $100 billion roofing and storm restoration industry. Inside this SVG U platform, you'll find everything from cold calling, knocking doors, property inspections, meeting adjusters, winning appraisals, collections, and more. Basic and advanced Xactimate courses. You also can find SVG Speakeasy podcasts, build courses taught by the manufacturer reps, and so much more. Many key managers and business owners have improved their business models based on the advanced content you'll find inside SVG University. Many new green sales associates have evolved to million-dollar machines within 90 days of using SVG U. My name is Anthony Delmedico, and I'm going to be your tour guide, your trainer, mentor, and friend through this platform to assist you in quickly learning how to be successful in the $100 billion roofing and storm restoration industry.